Hello and welcome to Python for Everything. You had it, Python for Everything. It means we are covering up all you need to know in Python programming. So this is a comprehensive and dynamic course that will guide you through the vast landscape of Python programming. Whether you are a beginner looking to start your coding journey today, an intermediate programmer looking of leveling up, how to level up your skills, or you are an advanced developer aiming at mastering the latest in AI, machine learning, data science, and many more, this course has something designed for you. My name is Christopher, and I'm going to be your guide and instructor for this course. Python is very well known for its simplicity, power, and versatility, making it the language of choice for very many programmers worldwide. So this course will open doors to a plethora of applications ranging from web development, game development, data science, AI, and beyond. So if you are ready to begin your journey or you're looking for how you want to advance your skills, this course has something for you. But why Python anyway? So like I said before, versatility makes it key for this programming language. So what does that mean? It means you can do a wide range of applications just using one programming language. These applications range from web development, just like I said before. You have game development, machine learning and artificial intelligence. That is very key power for Python. Data science and data visualization. You want to create modern applications, modern user interface applications. Use Python for that. Web scraping, compare house pricing, for example, in the area of your choice that maybe you need to get an affordable deal to buy a house. Python can do that for you. You want to create business application. Maybe you want to create CAD, computer-aided design applications. How about embedded systems, audio and video processing? All that can be done using Python programming. All you need to know is get started with this course, understand the basics. We are going to be advancing each level that we get into. So let's look at the course structure. I talked about advancing on every level. We are going to start with the beginner's level. Beginner's level, it means you don't need to have any prior coding experience. Just come the way you are, but by the time we get done with this course, you'll have everything you need to get started or to land your first career as a programmer. So we shall have a beginner's level. This beginner's level shall cover up 25 hands-on practical projects solving real-world problems, but these projects will be as simple as the level states. Beginner's level. We shall have fun games here. We shall have small programs running here. For example, a calculator. We shall have number guessing game, word guessing game, maybe hangman, and very many more games. Then we shall go and elevate our skills by updating or upgrading to the intermediate level of this course. And this level will contain 30 practical projects. 30 practical projects only in intermediate, plus 25 in the beginner's level, making it 55 already in these two levels. So that means by the time you reach the intermediate level, you are as good as someone who can land themselves a job somewhere. So that means we are going to cover up a vast, wide range of programs or applications ranging from medical stores, YouTube download, chatbots, to-do list, notepad application, bank management system, school management system, ATM simulation. All those programs, we are going to create them in this level. I said 30 more projects. 30 more projects. That is 55. And then we shall go on advance. So that is what I mentioned in the beginning, advancing from one level to another. So from the intermediate, we shall go on and upgrade or and apply whatever we've studied the other side. We top it up with the advanced level. So in this advanced level, we are going to have 30 more projects. 30 more projects, if you add them to the first one, it makes it about 80 projects. So these projects, actually 85 projects. These projects will range from AI, ML, DL, DA, DV. What are all these? AI is artificial intelligence. ML is machine learning, deep learning, data analysis, and data visualization. So all these projects will be in this level. We shall have OpenCV projects like real-time code detection, barcode reader and QR code reader using OpenCV. We shall have applications using Python frameworks like Django and Flask. We shall have more applications ranging from neural networks, that is deep learning neural networks, and we shall see more of these projects as we go on and learning. So don't miss out. Just get seated, get ready, prepare your coffee if you have to, and just grab your PC, put it on the table, and get started right away. So after all those projects, we shall have 15 more additional projects. These projects are just going to be there to help us add more on our CV or on our portfolio. But the main projects here, the main project in this level is going to be the portfolio, whereby you design one and apply all and put all the projects you have created in this course onto one place. So this is where maybe anyone who wants to hire you or any hiring manager will be referred to. Anywhere you want to apply, just in case they ask for what is your experience, you provide this portfolio and it will show them how many projects you've worked on actually. So on top of that, what will you gain from this course and why should you go with this course? You'll gain an understanding and hands-on experience, practical hands-on experience of Python and its application with a wide range of projects that you'll have created. The ability to develop your own projects right away from the beginning up to the end, solving real-world problems. Then a very polished portfolio to showcase your potential to employers. So with that said, why not you get ready and we'll meet in the next video or in the next chapter, whereby we are going to take a look at our curriculum that is going to take us through this course till we finish. So with that said, see you in the next chapter. Thank you.